Hi everyone, my name is Musa Ali and I'm presenting here an assignment which is cloud security assignment. In this assignment, I will be discussing an implementation I have done for this assignment. This was creating two servers, server one which is SSH server and the gate which is the gateway to my web server. And the web server is hosting a live website. Also, we will uh, secure that using Amazon security groups as a firewall to limit the access. We will also disable weaker algorithms and also using the latest TLS version and disabling weak ciphers. We will test after the whole implementation is done using Nmap to test for open ports and services that run on that. Okay, these are my servers, web server and SSH server, and these are my public IP addresses of these two servers. My web server can only be accessed from my gateway, and to get that functionality, I've used security groups feature of the AWS. You can see that port 80 and port 443 are open and accessible from everywhere. These are for HTTP and HTTPS, and also port 22 is open and can be only accessed from this IP address. 54.195.204.86, which is our SSH server. Okay, let's go back to our Kali machine, which we are using to access our gateway to the web server. If you look here, we have keys, most SSH server key and most web server key. So first we must connect to our gateway SSH server, and from there we must connect to the server. This is the way we are monitoring our server. So let's leave that there and nmap our web server. Let's nmap. Okay, nmap reports here. Port 53 is open, and that's for the domain. Port 80 and port 443 are open for HTTP and HTTPS. These are necessary ports which we need them, but you can see here not shown 65,532 other ports are filtered. So that's good. Okay, let's go back here. This is the site. We can access into the site login from here. Musab is my user, and this is my password. Don't want to save here. Okay, so we have these page, login page, and contact page, ask for a code, and all that. We have only 3 posts here. Our services and about us. Let's delete the first one, cloud security assignment. So let's create another one. Cloud security assignment. publish that. And if we now visit the site, we can see it here. Okay, so log out. If we go to our server and show the configuration of the nginx SSL, you can see here we are using SSL servers. These servers are the default one, and it includes a weak server and all that. We are using also TLS 1, 1.1 and 1.2. And before I changed anything, I would like to show the servers and the security of the SSL and the strength of the servers we are using there, using SSL Labs, which offers a very nice way of testing that. So let me test here, mosblogger.com. This, you can see here the server TLS version 1.0 and 1.1, and because of that the grade is capped to P. So here the protocol is around 70, and the key exchange is around 70, which is very low. So we will try to work on that. Here you can see we have few weak servers. Here you can see beast attacks not mitigated, but when we disable that, this will get mitigated. Forward secrecy, it's not available now. So okay, let's go back and see what we can do. Let's go back to our configuration. Okay, I have worked on this before, so what I will do is I will comment out this. This is the default. So if you want to get a stronger one, you can use Mozilla .org, which have a way to generate these cipher suits. Also, we will remove this and use only TLS 1.2 and 1.23. We are using 1.2 because we don't want to lose many clients which will be unable to access our site. So there's always trade-off between the security and the availability. Okay, and here we need always to prefer the server servers instead of the browser ones. So let's test using these configurations and then go back and see what change we have. Our RSA key is 4096, which is always very strong. That's why we have got the even with the first test with a full certificate 100% on the test on the top one. Sure of our certificate. Let's encrypt. Okay, Now certificates always full. Support protocol support is full because we are using TLS latest version. Key exchange is around 90. We can check that. But now you can see that. Let's check the ciphers here. The ciphers, you can see we are using TLS 1.3, no weak ciphers, and also we are using TLS 1.2, and you cannot see any weak ciphers here. If you go to the bottom, and also you can see here beast attacks mitigated, and that's good. Let's see forward secrecy here, and forward secrecy is yes, robust. We have it.